Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to duplicate layer. So you can create the new layer, click this icon and I will draw simple sketch. Now if you want to duplicate this layer, you can right click on layer and then choose the duplicate layer. So we have the same layer in there. Okay, you can click this icon to delete and show again. Now to duplicate, you can right click on the layer and then choose the duplicate layer tools. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to duplicate layer.